Hi guys, in this video we will crochet a two-color top. Just to inform you, I have psoriasis, it's a skin disease with no cure and it's not contagious. Start with the slip knot and then I'm going to chain 15. My size is medium, so you may need to crochet less or more if you have a different cup size. For that, you need to measure your half cup height and adjust it to the needed amount of chains. Approximately for size S, it's going to be 13 chains, for size M, which is mine, 15 chains, for L it's 17, so we are increasing by 2 chains for each new size. But again, it's better to measure because we are different, we may use different yarns and crochet hooks, so it's better to do this so we are not disappointed at the end. In the round 2, single crochet into the second chain from the hook, and now single crochet in each chain. When you make the single crochet into the very last chain, we will need to make 2 more, so in total we will make 3 single crochet into the very last chain. Then take a stitch marker and put it into the second single crochet that we just made in the very last chain. Single crochet in each chain, but now on the other side. When finished, chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet in each stitch until the marked one. When you reach the marked stitch, remove it and make 3 single crochet into this stitch. Mark the second stitch. And continue the single crochet, but now on this side, on the other one. And we will repeat this round 16 times. Chain 1, turn your work and repeat. So we are making single crochet in each stitch until the marked one, then we remove this stitch marker and make 3 single crochet into this marked stitch. And then again continue with normal single crochet. And like this 15 more times. That's how it should look like. chain 1 and cut the yarn. Take the second color and repeat the same thing, the same round, but now with the different color, and we need to repeat it 4 times. So what do? We take the blue yarn, in my case it's blue, insert the hook in the first stitch, chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch, and single crochet in each stitch till you reach the marked one. Remove the stitch marker, make 3 single crochet, then put the stitch marker back into the second single crochet and continue single crocheting on the other side till the end. Make 4 rounds like this with blue yarn. When it's done, make 1 more single crochet into the very last stitch, and we are going to make 4 rounds of single crochet but at the bottom of our piece. Since here are no clear stitches, we are just inserting the hook in some of the spaces that we have and just go from one side to another one. At the end of the row, chain 1, turn your work and repeat this round 3 more times. After that, I will add another round of single crochet, but this time around the whole piece. So we make 1 single crochet in each stitch plus 3 single crochet into the marked stitch. This way all the edges will be careful and neat. When you finish single crocheting a round, make a slip stitch, then chain 1 and cut the yarn. And that's how it's going to look like. Then we need to make the second one of this, but with the switched colors. So we made the bigger part with blue and smaller with white. Then I measured my waist and split the number in 2 because I'm going to crochet 2 rectangles that I will stitch under the bra. Slip knot and chain 90 times or as much as you need to correspond your measurements. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook and then single crochet in each chain till the end. At the end of the row, chain 1, turn and single crochet in each stitch. You should have 16 rounds like this in total. When it's done, we are going to chain 1, cut the yarn and change the yarn to a different color. Insert the hook, chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. And single crochet in each stitch. And repeat this round 3 more times, so in total you should get 4 blue rows. And that's how your main 4 pieces should look like. Take the needle to stitch the pieces together. We will use back loops of each piece. In the description you will find a detailed instruction on how to stitch the pieces. The first piece facing me with the back part, so I will use kind of the front loop and the back loop of the second piece. But in reality these are back loops of both pieces. I hope I didn't confuse you. In any case, you can watch the video in the description if you don't know how to stitch these kind of pieces. When all the pieces are joined, we can proceed with the straps. Slip knot and chain 91. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook and single crochet till the end of the row. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. After that, attach it to the top and make the second strap. I hope it was useful. Hit the like, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in my other tutorials. Bye!